Christ Royal Family International Church present 2024 International Convention and Camp Meeting Royal Jubilee. Theme: the ultimate grace and glory. Date: Sunday the 8th through Sunday the 15th of December 2024. Host: Bishop Thomas Samson and Apostle Larry Samson. Speakers: Bishop Kayode Odulaja, Lagos; Apostle Anthony Oke, Lagos; Apostle Lawrence Achudome, Abiekuta; Bishop Stephen Ogedegbe, Lagos; Apostle Tim Basha, Lagos; Archbishop Joseph Ojo, Lagos; Bishop Femi Enweleko Samson, Benin City; Reverend Reuben Adeife, CRF London; Reverend Abraham Omori, CRF Abuja; Pastor Lazarus C. Samson, CRF Port Harcourt. Date, time and venue: Sunday the 8th of December 2024. Time 3 p.m. Venue: Lagos Airport Hotel, Awolowo Road, Ikeja, Lagos State, Nigeria. Monday the 9th through Tuesday the 10th of December 2024. Time 6 p.m. daily. Venue at Royal Tower, number 2 Adebola Tom Sampson Street, Anifowoshi, Ikeja, Lagos State, Nigeria. Wednesday the 11th through Sunday the 15th of December 2024. It's a camp meeting at Royal City ESE Ota, Ogun State, Nigeria. Saturday the 14th of December 2024. There will be an international ministers conference. Time 9 a.m. There will be free accommodation, free feeding and free transportation. For more information and inquiry, please call 080-231-71994 or 080-513-51386. Don't miss it. Be there.